say Biafra Liberation Army don't capture one Nigeria spy. No be smart, you know. They say the guy just they pull head, they peep. You know, no say men they one corner they look am now, so they go carry am. Now I come they tell them say God I beg go mona leave me oh. Na small thing they give me say man I come look where on a day oh. No be small thing. Yeah my people, we go find out how this thing take happen oh. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G-Safe. Today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. Ebe ni kweziokwu. No be smart, you know. If you know say you never give the channel a follow, I don't know what you dey wait. May you quickly do so, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update. I see the hot. They say one Biafra Liberation Army. Say one Nigeria that they call a spy. They say the guy don't pull head. They want go they locate where they. Now they come catch him like that time where they catch or something inside bush. As they catch the guy, now the guy tell beg go, make they leave him. Say na small thing they give us, say making come find out where they for inside bush. He say as they talk now, he say no mercy for their daddy. He said that one he own, make it just forget him. Say they no go leave him. No be smart, you know. As we they talk that one, now I can send message, give the host sabo where they for Biafra land. He say whether you there on top or whether you there for down hence say you be sabo and the dictator say they go come for you. He send message, give the elders, the other many things we talk for that video, man. You know, sometimes when the last say if they talk, come be like say now we they talk am. So we'll play this video, may you watch from beginning to end before you go talk say you know hear what they talk am. What the video from beginning to end. You go hear where they talk am. No be smart. We'll watch the video together before we come back and continue.
I say Biafra pass you and Biafra Liberation Army stroke Biafra fighter resistant fighter. Your mind they tell you a joke. Come and try now. You will know that we are fully prepared for this. We are 100% prepared for it. The Chuko Kika Biama will send us, don't prepare us, fortify us for this mission. Because they know that this mission is not going to be easy. So therefore, they have already empowered us with everything that will sustain us to the end of this mission. That is why your bomb no they do anything. You throw bomb, come send a drone to come and visualize what you have been bombing so far. Waiting be your drone tell you. In tell you saying see anywhere where the bomb don't explode for our camp. You are just wasting your time and your money. This is who we are. We are Biafrans. The people you killed many years ago. We are back to revenge for our blood. And restore what is rightfully belongs to us. And do you know what that is? It is Biafra. And you cannot stop us. You cannot stop us. You cannot stop us. It doesn't really matter how many you are. If you come in million, you go die in million. If you come in 1,000, you will die in 1,000. If you come in 100, you will die in 100. If you come in 10, you will die in 10. If you come in unit, you will die in unit. We are not afraid of you. We can never be. Not today, not tomorrow, and never. No retrieve and no surrender. But take this from me. Write it down somewhere that at the end of this fight, Biafra must be emerged. It does not really matter who you be. Biafra must definitely come to pass. But mark it and take it upon yourself that we will destroy Nigeria beyond repair. And this pushed me to ask you, do you really prepare of what is to come? Because something bigger than you is about to happen to you. Are you prepared for it? The politician in Biafra land, you will tear race and run. Look for safety and there will be no safety for you. You will beg and there will be no forgiveness for you. You will ask, you will promise to give heaven and earth and nobody will listen to you. I hope you are prepared for that day because it's coming. The Eze that have been selling their people, I hope you are prepared for what is coming. Inside the house together. And you will beg, you will promise heaven and earth and nobody will listen to your promise. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. Hausa and Fulani, I hope you are prepared for what is coming. Igbo will leave your land. And you will not see anybody to develop your land for you. You will beg Igbo to come back and stay. Free accommodation. You will beg them for free land, for free accommodation, and you will not see them. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. Fulani and Hausa, I hope you are prepared for what is coming. We are Nyamani. You will beg this Nyamani to return back to your land and develop it for free and charge. You will promise them heaven and earth, but you will not see them. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. Britain, I hope you are prepared for what is coming. America, I hope you are prepared for what is coming. You will beg us for forgiveness and you will not see forgiveness. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. All of you that gang up against Biafrans, I hope all of you are really prepared for what is coming. Because I fully understand and know that what is coming is bigger than all of you. Are you really prepared for what is coming? My problem is not really with Hausa and Fulani and Britain. I'm talking to saboteurs right now. Saboteurs that are enjoying the wealth, the blood of your brother and your sister. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. You will plead, you will beg, you will cry, and you will beg for forgiveness. I am telling you this evening that there is no forgiveness in our dictionary. We do not have any forgiveness for saboteur. For whatever things you sow, you must reap. You that sow death in the land of Biafra, you must reap death. You. I hope you are prepared for what is coming. I believe you are prepared for what is coming. Every saboteur must go down. No forgiveness in our dictionary. I believe you are prepared for what is coming. The land of Biafra will not condone saboteur. The land of Biafra will not condone Fulani or Hausa or Britain. He that come to kill us must die. And he that sell our land to our enemies must die. There's no two ways about that. No peace for the wicked. No forgiveness for the wicked. That is why I come this evening to ask you the simple question. I believe you are prepared for what is coming. We cast one spies today. He came to Orlu to spice us, to spice how we are. We catch him. He run out of luck. And the God of the land hand over him to us. He's crying. He's weeping. He's asking for forgiveness. But I assure you, he cannot see any. He cannot see forgiveness. It is a bubaku. And we have been warning them. Come out your hand from evil so that evil will not destroy you. Because it is written, the wickedness of the wicked man will destroy the wicked. No be my papa write that. No be my mama write that. Your slave book you are carrying, called Holy Bible, it is written that the wickedness of the wicked man will destroy the wicked. Yes. He came to spice us. He came to see how we did. He entered community to know all the Appian way, where they go from enter, where they go fit from escape. Knowingly and unknowingly to him, the spirit of the land go against him, and he was caught by us. Right now, as I'm talking to you, he's begging for forgiveness. He's pleading for forgiveness. And there is no forgiveness for any saboteur. It is an Igbo man. There is no forgiveness. Because Fulani and Yoruba and Britain does not know our land. Now Igbo man go carry am come our land, territory, to show them the way. Why must we forgive you? If we kill you, the saboteur will not know road to our land. And that is why we must kill him. If we let you go, you will still go and bring another people to our land. You will still go and bring strangers to our land. You will still go and bring our enemy into our land. And that is why we cannot forgive you. If we caught you as saboteur, yes, I'm telling you the gospel truth. Biafra is Alanso. Alanso, the kingdom of God is Biafra. And no saboteur can enter into it. No evil can enter into it. No unclean spirit can enter into it. Yes, I'm telling you the gospel truth. If you are evil, you will be destroyed. If you are bad, you will be destroyed. If your hand is not clean, as Onyendu say, you must be whiter than white and whiter than snow for you to inherit the kingdom of God on earth, which is Biafra, the land of rising sun. If you are not whiter than white and not whiter than snow, you cannot see this kingdom. You must be destroyed. I'm telling you the gospel truth. You must be whiter than white and whiter than snow for you to see this kingdom of God on earth. And that's why I'm telling you that there will be no forgiveness to the saboteur. There will be no forgiveness to our betrayer, those who sell us to our enemy. No forgiveness for our politician. Never. Not today, not tomorrow, and never shall it be. That thing where you sow, you must reap am. The evil where you sow in the land of Biafra, you must reap am. If you sow good, you go reap good. If you sow bad, you go reap bad. This land of Biafra must be restored. You can't stop it. I challenge you. I challenge you. If you can stop it, if you think you can stop it, if your mind tell you that you will have power, you have juju that can stop it, step forward. Let's see what you have. We were fully prepared before we come. Gods of our land that sent us to come. They knew every up and down, the obstacle that may be on our way. And they have fully prepared us to come. And now that we came, you can't stop us. Our mission is Biafra. Our restoration, our destination is Biafra. You cannot stop us. It is either Biafra or Biafra. It is either Biafra or Biafra. Either Biafra in peace or Biafra in pieces. Choose one. Either Biafra by referendum or Biafra by war. But do you know what I can assure you this night? Anyone you choose will lead us to Biafra restoration. If you choose war, we must defeat you to gain Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people, you are welcome back. As you don't listen and watch that video, see waiting this Biafra Liberation Army talk for this video. No be smart, you know. And make sure say you they share this video so that other people go know waiting they go on. And leave your own opinion for inside the matter where you don't talk for this video. As this one they hot, you know, as we do am now, we go bring the information for you and leave you. May you contribute, put, and may all of us talk for inside comment section. As it they hot, we they see everything, and them also they see am. My people, we go leave you for this matter. May you contribute, put. I want make you share this video and also follow this page. No be, you know, as we do am now. And make sure say go subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're there for TikTok, we're there everywhere. So we'll quickly see you for the next update. I see the hot.